Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Bleach Wipes is probably one of the most sought-after cleaning products for disinfecting various surfaces, effectively eliminating germs and bacteria, but with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Today, we will review several top-rated bleach wipes, comparing their cleaning power, ease of use, and overall value to help you find the perfect fit for your cleaning needs, whether it's for your home, office, or any other space requiring a thorough disinfection. Number 5. Clorox Healthcare Wipes. These wipes are a one-step solution for cleaning and disinfecting. They're EPA registered to eliminate a wide range of microorganisms quickly and effectively. It cleans, disinfects, and deodorizes, leaving less residue behind. This optimized formula tackles over 60 pathogens in just minutes. It effectively kills healthcare-associated infection, HAI, causing pathogens in a matter of minutes. It's proven effective against various dangerous pathogens. With fast contact times, it allows for quick disinfection of healthcare surfaces. This helps maintain a clean and sanitary environment. It's ideal for use in hospitals, medical facilities, and other healthcare settings. They are recommended for use in equipment cleaning and care. These wipes provide a powerful yet efficient way to maintain a hygienic environment. Trust Clorox Healthcare for superior disinfection. What we like? It's EPA registered, so you know it's effective against a wide range of germs. Plus, it's incredibly fast-acting, perfect for quick cleanups in busy healthcare settings. If you need a reliable and efficient disinfectant for your medical facility, this is the one for you. What people say. These wipes are appropriately sized and strong. Using these to disinfect the bathroom toilet countertops weekly. Very good to use if someone is sick, easy to use not having to mix water and bleach. Number 4. Sani-Cloth Bleach Wipes. These wipes offer superior cleaning power, making them perfect for various surfaces. They're hospital grade, so you know they're effective against tough messes. It's designed to eliminate germs and bacteria, leaving your surfaces hygienically clean. Trust it for a deep clean in your home or business. Each wipe is generously sized at 6 by 10.5 inches, making cleaning large areas quick and easy. The canister holds 75 wipes for long-lasting use. They're ideal for bathrooms, equipment, and various other surfaces. It's a simple solution for a sparkling clean. These wipes are manufactured in the United States, ensuring high-quality materials and manufacturing standards. You can trust in its quality and effectiveness. The canister is easy to store and dispense wipes from. Its compact size makes it perfect for any space. What we like? This hospital-grade wipe comes in a large, convenient canister, perfect for high-traffic areas. The large size means you can clean more surface area with fewer wipes. If you're looking for a durable and efficient solution for your bathroom or equipment cleaning, this is an excellent choice. What people say. They work great. You get a lot and they are very thick and just work wonderfully overall. The wipes change colors when I work an area with germs, and it helps leave the area looking, feeling, and smelling fresh and clean. Wipes are durable and one sheet goes a long way without tearing for those scrubbing tasks. Number 3. Clorox Healthcare Wipes. These wipes are a one-step solution for cleaning, disinfecting, and deodorizing. They're tough on germs, but gentle on surfaces, leaving less residue behind. It eliminates over 60 pathogens in just 3 minutes or less. That's fast, effective protection against a wide range of harmful microorganisms. This product is EPA registered to kill C. difficile and C. auris, 2 particularly nasty superbugs, in just minutes. It also tackles many other harmful bacteria and viruses. They're perfect for use in hospitals, medical facilities, and other healthcare settings. It's proven effective against a variety of healthcare-associated infection, HAI, causing pathogens. With their fast contact times, these wipes let you quickly disinfect surfaces and get back to what matters most. They're a time saver in busy healthcare environments. Use them in hospitals, medical facilities, dental offices, veterinary offices, and long-term care facilities. They're even recommended in many equipment cleaning and care guides. What we like? Similar to the first option, it's EPA registered and effective against a wide range of germs. Its fast-acting formula makes it ideal for quick disinfection in healthcare settings. If you need a reliable and efficient disinfectant in a bucket format for your medical facility, this is the one for you. What people say. This is the best sanitary cleanser clothes I've ever come across. I worked in maintenance over 23 years and never had a cleaning clothes this durable and effective. My wife had C. diff, which is a bacterial infection in her bowels that is very hard to kill. These wipes completely eliminated any threat of getting reinfected. All we had to do was wipe down anything she touched, especially bathroom fixtures. The tub is huge, the wipes are huge. It does the job easily. Number 2. 3-pack cleaning wipes. These wipes are tough on grease and grime, easily tackling messes in your kitchen and bathroom. They work great on various surfaces like wood, granite, and stainless steel. You get 3 convenient packs, each with 72 wipes, for a total of 216 disposable wipes. That's a lot of cleaning power. Enjoy a refreshing cleaning experience with these wipes. They leave behind a clean, fresh scent, making your home smell wonderful. Their textured surface ensures effective cleaning. They're durable, lint-free, and perfect for everyday messes. Keep them handy at home, the office, or school. They're great for quick cleanups on any hard surface, making cleaning a breeze. Remember, these are for surface cleaning only, do not flush them. Keep out of reach of children and avoid contact with textiles to prevent discoloration. What we like. This is a versatile option suitable for various surfaces throughout your home and office. It comes in a large pack, offering great value. The fresh scent leaves your spaces smelling clean. If you are looking for an everyday cleaner for your home or office, this is a great option. What people say. They are nice and wet, not just damp, and have a pleasant scent. I like the packaging as seems more efficient than the plastic containers other products come in. I do leave the little sticker on it and ensure you close it, and I have never had any issues with drying, leaking, or otherwise. They clean great without any residue left behind. Number 1. Clorox Healthcare Wipes. These wipes are specially designed for healthcare professionals, providing a powerful and efficient cleaning solution. They're effective against a wide range of microorganisms, ensuring a clean and safe environment. It boasts faster cleaning power than the leading competitor. This means you can disinfect more surfaces in less time, improving efficiency and workflow. It effectively eliminates C. diff and C. auris in just 3 minutes, addressing critical infection control concerns in healthcare settings. This helps maintain a hygienic environment. Each wipe covers more area due to superior wetness and contact time. This optimizes cleaning efficiency and reduces the number of wipes needed. Its optimized formula minimizes residue, making them ideal for equipment cleaning and care. This ensures surfaces are thoroughly disinfected without leaving unwanted residue. They are trusted by over 2,400 U.S. hospitals as a key component of their infection prevention strategies. This demonstrates their effectiveness and reliability in healthcare environments. The wipes are made with viscose derived from bamboo, a sustainable and renewable resource. This commitment to sustainability aligns with environmentally conscious practices. What we like. It's specially designed for healthcare professionals and effectively tackles tough germs. It covers more surface area per wipe and leaves less residue behind. If you are a healthcare professional looking for a superior disinfectant, this is the best choice. What people say. The large containers last longer than the regular ones. These are the hospital brand wipes and they work beautifully. Useful on doorknobs, supermarket carts, other surfaces often touched by the public, and also in the home when caring for the sick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.